Hello, Mr. Beard here. It's your class recap for Monday, February 5th. We started with our bell ringer, which now that you guys have demonstrated mastery in the parts of speech, we're going to move away from just identifying parts of speech and move toward using them in our writing. I mean, at the end of the day, that is the number one job of grammar is to improve our writing. So we're going to take a stab at a new writing practice, which means you have to create a sentence, one sentence, that uses each of the following items: a proper noun, a common noun, a preposition, an adverb, and two adjectives. You can use other things, but it must be one coherent sentence with one main idea, and it must have at least all of these items. At the bare minimum, you'll have to have a verb in there for it to be a complete sentence, along with those items. After our bell ringer, we took a look at subject-verb agreement. This week we're focusing on the parts of sentence, including subjects and verbs. And if you have an action verb, you look for a direct object. If you have a linking verb, you look for a subject complement. But right now we're focusing more on if the verbs and subjects agree. If you have a single subject, you need to have a single verb, a singular verb. And if you have a plural subject, you need to have a plural verb. Now, on our page here, if you click on, under assignments, and remember the middle of the page is the assignments here. If you click on subject verb agreement, like I just did earlier, click on this link, it'll take you to our activity for today. There's a worksheet that went along with this, and the worksheet ties in directly to these questions. So if you put an answer, it'll tell you if the answer was correct and explain why. So if you are absent and at home, go ahead and do that online. After that, we got into vocab. So if you were absent, you want to come in and get the vocab list from me. And that covers what we did today in class. Thanks for listening.